Struggling to get AI agency clients? What if you could change that today? Discover our groundbreaking outbound self-selling system. Effortlessly send personalized AI demos directly to prospects. This innovative tool empowers you to initiate large-scale marketing campaigns by deploying customized AI assistants tailored specifically to your prospects. Here's how it works. Simply upload your contact list. Choose a niche-specific prompt template. Our system will immediately create a personalized AI assistant by analyzing the prospect's website. Then it automatically sends each prospect an email containing a link. When they click the link, they're greeted by this customized AI assistant. Imagine the impact of delivering personalized AI demonstrations to each prospect, offering them a unique and engaging experience. While you effortlessly highlight your agency's capabilities, you can send up to 20,000 automated demos per month, close more deals, and accelerate the growth of your AI agency like never before. Don't miss our 50% launch offer for the next 2 days. Try the Outbound Self-Selling System today and revolutionize your AI agency.